In today's digital age, video content has become a cornerstone of effective real estate marketing. YouTube, being the second largest search engine globally, offers a powerful platform for real estate agents and teams to reach a broad audience and generate both seller and buyer leads. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of leveraging YouTube advertising to boost your real estate business, from creating compelling video content to running targeted ad campaigns. So why YouTube advertising? YouTube ads are an excellent way to get your video content in front of potential clients. With over 2 billion logged in monthly users, the platform provides unparalleled reach and targeting capabilities. Here's how you can make the most of YouTube advertising for your real estate business. Step 1, create high quality video content. Before diving into advertising, you need engaging and professional video content. Here are some of the types of videos that you could create. Property tours. Showcase your listings with detailed walkthroughs. Neighborhood guides. Highlight local amenities, schools, and attractions. Client testimonials. Build trust by sharing positive experiences from past clients. Market updates. Position yourself as a knowledgeable expert with regular market updates. How-to videos. Offer advice on buying, selling, and maintaining homes. Step 2. Optimize your videos for YouTube. Optimization is key to ensuring your videos reach the right audience, so follow these tips. Titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions to improve searchability. Tags. Add tags related to real estate and the specific content of your video. Thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails to attract clicks. Create a Google Ads account. If you don't already have one, sign up at Google Ads. Link your YouTube channel. Connect your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account to manage your campaigns seamlessly. Create a new campaign. Go to Google Ads dashboard and click the plus button to create a new campaign. Select video as your campaign type. Choose a campaign goal, such as leads or website traffic. Define your target audience. Use demographic filters such as age, gender, and location. Utilize advanced targeting options like interest and keywords related to real estate. Step 4. Crafting your ad. The 3 main components to crafting the perfect ad are video ad formats. Choose your right format for your ad, such as skippable in-stream ads, non-skippable in-stream ads, or bumper ads. Compelling script. Write a script that hooks viewers in the first few seconds, highlighting the key selling points of your listing or services. And call to action. Include a clear and compelling call to action directing viewers to your website or a landing page. Step 5. Analyzing and adjusting your campaign. After your campaign is live, monitor its performance using YouTube and Google Ads analytics. Key metrics to track include view rate, the percentage of people who viewed your ad, click-through rate or CTR, percentage of viewers who clicked on your call to action, and conversions, number of leads or inquiries generated from your ads. YouTube advertising offers real estate agents and teams a powerful way to reach potential buyers and sellers. By creating high-quality video content, optimizing it for YouTube, and running targeted ad campaigns, you can significantly boost your lead generation efforts. To learn more about using YouTube for real estate, check out the link below for a webinar with Dustin Fox, and a free ebook on 8 effective YouTube videos for real estate teams will be linked below. YouTube ads paired with a CRM is a great strategy to gaining and maintaining leads in this modern era. For a free demo of Sierra Interactive's real estate CRM, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more real estate content.